Hello, welcome to Peter Watson's. My name's Tom, I'm the sales executive here at the garage, and today I'm just going to be taking you around this Porsche Cayenne. Now this car comes fully loaded with over £14,000 worth of factory stock, including panoramic sunroof, Bluetooth, sat-nav, front and rear sensors. But without further ado, let's take a look. So there you go. So if you are interested in this vehicle or indeed any of the others that are on our website, please do give us a call on 01756 792 911 and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care now. Bye bye.